DecalBaker is an editor extension plugin for Unreal Engine. Its core feature is baking 3D decals from the scene and merging them directly into the PBR texture maps of the target mesh, static mesh, or skeletal mesh. If you encounter any issues while using it, feel free to ask in our Discord support server. We will do our best to help you resolve any problems. DecalBaker can blend decal color, normal, and ORM maps with the model's original textures. You can enable the mirroring feature to bake mirrored decals onto the texture. The enable angle cull parameter limits the decal range and prevents baking decals that exceed a certain angle. The Use Base Color Alpha parameter allows you to use the base color's alpha channel. When Use Base Color Alpha is disabled, you can also use your own opacity map. By adjusting these parameters, you can control how the decal affects each channel. There are two ways to generate decal normals. One is using the decal's normal map. The other is using a height map, where DecalBaker converts the height map into normals inside the material. In the DecalBaker panel, you can adjust settings to export different texture maps. The textures will be exported to the folder corresponding to the selected mesh. After exporting, you may notice that the decals are not as clear as they appeared in the preview. This is usually caused by the export resolution being too low. A decal may only occupy a small portion of the entire texture, so it may not appear as clear as it does in the preview. To keep decals sharp, you may need to export higher resolution textures or use real-time decals instead of baked ones. Finally, here are two use cases that may help you get started. Support for switching blend modes for each channel will be added in the next update. Stay tuned. If you encounter any problems while using DecalBaker, feel free to join our Discord server for support. We will do our best to help you resolve any issues.